guys, this is Melissa, and I'm going to be sharing the new September 2019 Club La La Land Crafts kit. And I'm going to start by showing you some of the stamps that come in the kit. And the first one is Marcy with lemons. And of course, this is the beautiful red rubber stamps that you're used to from Club La La Land. And you can see she's quite large, and she has 3 beautiful sentiments that come with her. In addition to Marcy with lemons, you also get the adorable Squeeze the Day, which has 3 adorable mice and, again, 3 sentiments. And of course, they're both in red rubber. And they're beautiful and perfect for this awesome kit. In the kit, you also get this cute lemonade stand, and with the lemonade stand comes a number of accessories and signs. Has a lemon, a glass, a pitcher, and also signs. You also get this large lemons or lemonade. You can see the little leaf that goes on top of the lemon here. I took it out, but it comes in the center. You just clip that out, and you can use that for leaves. And there's also a little S at the top, so if you don't want it to say lemonade, it can say lemons. You also get this cold drink, and you have the little beverage inside, and then 3 little ice cubes, and then also a straw with a cute little bendy part, which I love. You also get this small lemonade sign, and you can use the whole thing or just the letters. It's super cute, and I actually use that in some of my cards. So this is the first card I made with the Squeeze the Day set with the mice, and I have a tutorial on this. If you're part of the club, you will get a PDF, and it tells you exactly how I made this card. And it's easy and simple, and the kit makes it so fun to make a card like this. I also use the Marcy with lemons and the lemons die that you get, lemons or lemonade die. I stamped one of the adorable sentiments and put this card together with a lot of glitter, which I love. You can see there. I hope you guys like this kit. You have until September 20th to subscribe to get this specific kit. This retail values at $84.99, but the kit is not that expensive, and I include a link below so that you can see it and you get all these wonderful dies and stamps in the set. Make sure to join us at Club La La Land. Have a great day.